welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoy the show, and click the like button, click the subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Obviously don't unsubscribe. Make sure it's subscribed so that you can see some more of our content. So in today's video we are basically just letting the engine idle, checking out all the faults. We will see some smoke coming out of the exhaust side. I don't know, they used some sort of silicone gasket maker between the manifold and the pipe, and it's smoking like crazy at the moment. I'm sure it will stop smoking sometime soon. So while it's idling, we are running a temperature gauge. The temperature climbed up gradually. I think we stopped it at 85 degrees, but it took a while to get there. It looks like the water is at least circulating. The water pump seems to be working, and we're just letting it run. Wash plug's leaking like crazy, and we'll find some new plugs. So whilst it's idling, we're basically just walking around it and checking it and fiddling around and seeing what is else wrong while monitoring the temperature. Wow, she sounds so nice after revving it. I think 50 years of standing mud did it well. Rev it a bit more there. Looks like our temporary pipe is working then, eh? That white pipe. They're still burning off.
it is boiling a bit. But that we must clean that radiator.
Yeah, no, of course.
Because it's cleaning itself inside.
That's all that coming out of it now. So I think the next thing is take the radiator off again, seal it away, have it clean. And then we do the test again. You know? What the fuck did they do here with this shit? But I don't know, I don't trust that temperature thing. You know, you don't know what the water temperature actually is. That's boiling.
No.
No, we don't know if the water pump's working properly or what.
Yeah, we don't.
Really?
Maybe it must be under pressure. I don't know. We haven't even closed the tap on the top. So, yeah, now I've got to fix it now.
So we're going to take the radiator off and send it away for repairs. Draining the radiator so that we can take it off again. Not that it's leaking.
No, you see,
So we must take the radiator out. Shall we send both radiators?
it's going to be about 4K each, eh?
He can at least tell us which one is the better one and redo that
That one doesn't look so bad. But that's up to you. If you want to take it, they're around the corner.
What engine capacity can I throw on that? You go for a Lexus V8.
All right, take that out so long, Gerald. Then he can take that away and the tank. Next time he's out there, I can't take this in the future now. Okay, that's
guide to guys laser.
Guide that. Let's just measure that and see if that's going to work before we do all this fucking work. We'll just take it.
We had it. Let's take it. Don't worry about this now. Don't worry about this.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so that is the right lift for this.
First said action. So this one here, this chassis, what is this? This drive shaft of diff that we so nicely went and sandblasted was a waste of money because this is the actual diff that belongs to this chassis. We need to fix it maybe, but yeah, so we wasted I don't know how much, 1,000 rand on that one. So that we can fit this one. You're so busy with it.
Get this diff to the back. We need to start packing up. Otherwise, we're stuck in a rush now. Where the smoke's going, huh?
Where you from, man? don't know where they are now.
Oh yeah, the one on the floor.
I'm looking for them myself. So it lies on there.
It looks right, but how does it mount?
I think you just need a strip. Here, put a strap here. To there and here. Yeah, we just need a strip. You see it? 2 mounts here.
Yeah.
No, it won't mount on there. You see it? You see, here doesn't need a bolt.
There's holes, but there's a strap. You're right, there's a strap that runs from there to there.
Yeah, okay. So it's the right tank. So we can send it away. Huh?
We don't know.
And what is this for now? This shape or this?
Well, it's because of that angle there of the body. Look,
For the spare wheel.
Oh, for the spare
the
wheel.
spare wheel goes underneath there. That's right.
Okay. Maybe this makes sense.
Okay, just get that wheel out. Let's tidy up and take the shocks.
Yeah, this wheel,
Get this thing away. We have to change that.
So this is all the wood. There are extras, but we're gonna get it all fumigated and sorted out, and then it can go to the woodworking company, and they're gonna basically just use the panels that we need and as a template, and then recreate new wood panels. This wood is fraught. We're not gonna be able to use it.
Alright, so here is our master panel beater. Hang on a minute, the body's prepped ready. And we're just going to prime it now for the one fender to see how it comes out. Unfortunately we are load shedding. Luckily we had primed the compressor. But here we go. So we build it up with primer and then flatten it and flatten it and flatten it again, and then more primer, and then eventually, a long time from here still, we will be able to put the paint on. And there we go. Don't forget the inside as well, Gerald. There we go. Getting a bit goofed in here. Getting a bit goofed. I'm gonna keep it further away and widen the fan more. Widen the fan. Is that the old gun school? Oh well, it'll get there, doesn't it? Only primer. So that nothing rough. We still got a welder indicator light on there. But we will get there. I'm getting lekker goofed. So we will have to get out of here. Because we can't put our extract fan on. This is what it is. Anyway, there we go. Put mainly on the metal now, so we don't get rough. We're running out of air. We're running out of air.